Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use your own custom song, music, audio on Reels Instagram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open up Instagram app on your mobile phone. So after opening up Instagram app on your mobile phone, you guys have to simply click on the below right corner of your profile icon. So you guys have to simply tap on it. So after tapping on it, it will provide you your profile. So you guys have to just simply tap on the plus icon which is on top right corner and which is right next to three horizontal lines which is options. So you guys have to simply tap on that plus button. So after tapping on plus button, it will provide you a list of all options which you want to create. So you have to select it on reel. So after selecting the reel option, it will provide you a camera interface from where you want to create reel. And in this reel camera, you guys can be able to see various options, but you guys will not be able to see any of the option in which they are allowing you to use any of the music from your device. You guys have to simply open up any of the app like Spotify or SoundCloud or music player from where your music is located, or you want to use the music from where. So you guys have to simply open up that music and minimize the app. So after minimizing that specific app, the music file will be played on the background, so you guys can be easily manage the music file from your notification center. So right now I have paused the music from notification bar. You guys can be able to see I am swiping up. So after swiping up, here is the music. So I want to use this music on my reels. So I just have to play the music from where I want to start in the reels. So I just have to click on the play button. So after clicking on the play button, you guys have to simply click on the record button in Instagram Reel camera. So after recording the whole video, your music will be also recorded with the video. So in this way, you guys can be easily able to record your own song, music, video in Instagram Reel. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.